Hey, welcome to the Gear Vlogs. What I'm now going to be calling the update show. Not sure if this is going to be a daily show, weekly show. Um, I'll be bringing this show to you as soon as I have enough information to make a decent show for you guys. So let's get into the latest update news in the auto industry. First off, before I get into that, want to promote a live stream that I will be doing this Wednesday, March or May 8th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, 6 p.m. Pacifics, where I'll have special guest Jason Debler. Um, Here's the Twitter feed here. I'll be interviewing him about his YouTube channel as well as his long career of being a content creator. Um, Before even YouTube started. So, and plus, bring awareness to a charity fundraising event that he's doing for the month of May, and hopefully we can get some of you, the viewers, to help participate in this endeavor. I think you'll enjoy it. And also stay tuned to the end of this message about a giveaway that I'm going to be announcing. So, let's get into the story. First off, we have is the Mopar Hellephant Engine. If you recall, back in November, I had covered this story on Mopar's release of the Hellephant crate engine, 1,000 horsepower engine that you can buy from Mopar from the SEMA show. I'll have a link up in the line card to that video if you want to check that one out. But basically, this article here states that basically Mopar is already sold out on these engines within a matter of 48 hours at a price tag of around 30 G's. So that's pretty impressive and fast. Now the question today is whether Mopar is going to bring back or offer this for next year, or if they're going to continue it for this year. But since these engines are all hand assembled and custom one-offs, I think 100 is the max that they had designated for the production year. So let's cross our fingers and hope that they'll offer it again for next year. So I'll have links to this story as well into the video description, so you can check that out further. Next story up we have is Porsche celebrates a 50 years of the 917 by restoring a few of these Porsches. There's videos out there that I'll have links to. But they also unveiled concept of at their Porsche museum of a concept of possibly a replacement for the 918. So we have that story to go. Next up we have here is a Australian company took and did a Restomod of a Australian Ford Falcon XB Coupe, and Restomodded it out. As we can see here by some of the pictures here, looks pretty interesting on some of the aspects. Let's see if I can pull up some. Here we go. Definitely slammed on the airbags, obviously. After seeing these pictures, I started checking the eBay marketplace for one of these cars to see what it would take to get one of these bodies over here. Because after looking at some of these pictures, it gave me some ideas of what I would like to do. But it's amazing how much some basically rust buckets are going for. No thanks. But it just, the ideas of what you can do with this car is incredible. And on to our last story. An artist was given the ability to photograph a Audi R8 being disassembled and to be turned into a poster, basically. Kind of like this poster here. So I'll have also a link to this video here. Don't want to play it for copyright strikes, and I'll have links to the articles in the video description. But now to the giveaway question. If you guys want, here we go. I will be doing a giveaway, a raffle giveaway of this poster. I've already ordered it from Audi. It measures 12 3/4 inches by 30 inches. So save you guys about the $25 plus tax and shipping for it. So if you want a chance to get a free copy of this poster, here's how you can enter. Leave a comment below on this video that you want to use hashtag GearVlogz, and drop an email to me at info.gearvlogs@gmail.com. I'll have you can also check in the about section for the email address. So that way, when you leave your comment, also send me an email address with your contact information so I can contact you when I pick a winner. I'll have a random drawing, and one lucky winner will get this poster mailed out to them. This will be worldwide, so whatever shipping will be, or postage will be to mail this poster out wherever you're at, I'll eat the costs. So be sure to, if you want to enter, leave a comment down below on this video. And if you're not following me, I appreciate a follow too. And drop me an email so that way I have a way of contacting you. Because the way YouTube system is, I can't really contact you off of the system. I wish I could, but it is what it is. So yeah, drop me an email, and if you need worried about privacy, everything, go over to my main website, gearvlogs.com, and you can read my privacy statements in my on my terms and conditions page. I'll have links to that also in the video description too if you have any questions. So there it is. Oh, and like I said, as a reminder, this Wednesday, May 8th, at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time and 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'll be live streaming, interviewing Jason Debler from Jason's Garage YouTube channel about him and his background life, get a little info on him, and his fundraising effort that he's doing this month. Should be very interesting, and hope to see you in the live stream and in the chats if you have any questions for me or him. Till then, have a blessed week.